Today I'm going to discuss what are the top 5 banks in Dubai in my opinion to manage your business and personal finances, and what are some of the crucial mistakes I see people make when applying for bank accounts. Before we start, my name is Shiraz Wahid and I have helped more than 100 entrepreneurs move to Dubai and save millions of dollars in taxes, and through my videos you can learn how you can do the same. So opening a bank account as part of your international tax relocation strategy is very important when you start planting your seeds in Dubai. Along with getting a residency for yourself and your company, of course, you also need personal and business bank accounts so you can manage your money effectively from Dubai. In this video, I'll share with you what are the top 5 banks in Dubai to cater to all your financial needs. Starting with number 1 on the list is the Emirates NBD Bank. Whether it's be business or personal banking, Emirates NBD is of course the number 1 choice for many. You can imagine the level of quality and efficiency and the service of this bank from the fact that its ownership is the same as the world-renowned Emirates airline. Emirates NBD is a government-owned bank in Dubai and it's one of the largest banking groups in the Middle East in terms of the assets. Along with its smooth branch operations, Emirates NBD also has a really good online service and a user-friendly mobile app. Whenever our clients move to Dubai, we usually help them open a bank account with Emirates NBD for their personal as well as their corporate banking. On the corporate banking side, Emirates NBD is a bit more selective about the clients that we work with. They usually prefer a client with at least a few $1 million of net worth and those who are bringing significant amount of money when moving to Dubai. They also prefer businesses that are with steady flow of income. In cases where our clients don't meet these requirements, we assist them in opening a corporate bank account with Emirates Islamic Bank. This is a bank that is part of the same group as the Emirates NBD Bank, but has much easier compliance and account opening requirements when it comes to corporate banking. On number 2, we have the Wio Bank. It's very similar to Wise and Revolut in Europe or Mercury Bank in the United States. It's super easy to open and use the Wio Bank account, especially when you compare it with the account opening process of Emirates NBD or Emirates Islamic or any other bigger banks, where getting a corporate account takes at least 30 to 45 days because of their strict security checks and KYC requirements that know your customer. However, with the Wio Bank, you can apply online right away, and in just 3 to 4 days, you'll know if you're approved or not. And if you are approved, you will get your debit cards and checkbooks within 2 days after getting the approval. It's very fast and convenient, especially when you're just starting out your business in Dubai. It also allows you to send and receive transfers directly in the US dollar, euro, or any other international currency in addition to your local dirham. This helps you do transactions worldwide, be it personal or business, without worrying what is the base currency for your account. The online banking of Wio Bank is user-friendly and offers a lot of unique features and benefits for both personal and business accounts, in addition to their 24/7 online support. Now, number 3 on my list is Mashreq Bank. The bank is user-friendly and opening a personal account is super easy. And also transferring large amounts to one or multiple beneficiaries is a relatively simple process with Mashreq Bank. On the business side, they also liked customers with a good profile, but they aren't as selective as Emirates NBD, and it's relatively easier to get a bank account if you have a genuine business and enough funds to support that business as well. One of the amazing features that Mashreq Bank offers is a cardless cash. You can withdraw cash at any local ATM without a card by just logging into your Mashreq mobile app. Their apps have everything you need to run an account without any hassle. Next on the list is the FAB Bank, or the First Abu Dhabi Bank, which is actually the parent company for Wio Bank as well. First Abu Dhabi Bank is the largest bank in the UAE, both in terms of assets and market capitalization. And due to its large network and contribution towards the society in terms of employment, arts and culture, and social responsibility, this bank plays a key role in the economy of the UAE. It is also very good for opening and operating both personal and corporate banks. They offer several banking facilities such as personal banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, and private banking as well. Their online and mobile banking solutions are also very smooth to operate. Last on my list is the RAK Bank, or the Ras Al Khaimah Bank. If you have complex situations such as you have a high-risk nationality that is not approved by other banks, or business activities that are hard for other banks to handle, RAK Bank is a good choice. They're willing to work with clients who have genuine business structures and can accommodate for special needs as long as you can be a client in good standing. Now let's talk about what are the top factors to watch out for when opening a corporate bank account in Dubai. While establishing a company and obtaining a residency is a relatively easier process, it's crucial to ensure you have both personal and corporate banking arrangements in place. And bank account application rejection can be a setback for your business operations, which we want to avoid at all costs. First, let's talk about where or in which free zone your business is incorporated. If you are in a well-known free zone in Dubai, banks will see you as a serious client. But if you are set up in the cheapest possible free zone just to save some money, banks might not take you as seriously. Your chosen business activities also play an important part in your banking application. Banks want to see that the activities selected are not high risk, that they are beyond the bank's risk profile, as well as the chosen activities are matching the owner's previous work experience or the area of expertise that the owner has. Countries like Canada, Australia, Europe, or the UK, you won't have any problems. But if you are from what is classified as high-risk countries such as Sudan, Iran, Iraq, North Korea, or Russia, it can be difficult to open bank accounts. I won't say it's impossible, but it takes longer to compare to people from countries with stronger passport that face less restrictions. Then comes your physical office space. Depending on the license activity and the bank you're dealing with, they might ask you for a physical office space rather than the virtual one. Many of our clients use virtual address provided by the free zone, which usually works fine, at least for the first year. However, some banks may require a physical address, especially as they become more focused on compliance. If that's the case and that bank is absolutely crucial for your international relocation strategy, you will need to rent an office space and provide a proof of physical address to the bank. But remember, it all depends on your specific situation. One more thing I've noticed is that having many partners in a company, like 4 or 5 shareholders, can make it really messy when it comes to applying for a business bank. Even if you are in a good free zone with a simple business model and the funding to back your business, having multiple partners can complicate things, because bank wants to have a background check on all the partners to ensure that they're legitimate people and they're not taking too much risk. The bank will ask for bank statements for each of the partners, and the compliance process can drag on for months. So my recommendation for my clients is usually that to start off with just 1 or 2 partners, and the others can still be involved as directors or senior managers, and this can make the banking process relatively smoother and easier. So I'd suggest just starting the application with just 1 or 2 shareholders, get through the compliance process, open your bank account and start using it for business transactions, and then slowly build a good relationship with your bank manager during this time. And once you have established trust with the bank, you can introduce more partners and make changes to your shareholding structure. And then go back to inform your bank about these changes, and the bank will ask you for more documentation to update their records, but it will not stop your business and banking operations. Another thing to consider is that if you're running an international corporation and want to set up a subsidiary branch under corporate ownership, the bank will take some time because they need to verify the ultimate beneficiary owner details. The bank wants to know about the company's ownership structure and who owns it and other related information. And most of the documents that you submit to the bank in this case will need to be verified by the UAE Embassy and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in the relevant country. So for example, if the parent entity is based in London, it would be the UAE Embassy in the UK and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in the UK that are going to attest and verify all the documents that are submitting for your parent company to the branch entity in Dubai. And this can result in substantial increase of time and cost for applying for a corporate bank account under your UAE subsidiary. But setting up a free zone company or banking is just one part of your overall tax freedom journey. Moving to Dubai and navigating the exit tax system of your home country can be a hassle, and if you don't know what you're doing, and not to mention that you can make some costly mistakes. So if you want me to explain the entire process to you and see if it makes sense in your case, check out the first link in the description below, where I break down my 3-step tax freedom blueprint and how it is helping my clients from Canada, Australia, UK and Europe save millions in taxes every year. And if you want my help in doing the same for you and your business, you can book a one-on-one call directly with me at setuphero.com/call and we will get you started. That's all for now, and I will see you in the next video.